Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given the printed price of an article is 60,000, the wholesaler allows a discount of 20% to the shopkeeper. So the discount is 20% to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper sells the article to the customer at printed price, and the sales tax is charged at the rate of 6% at every stage. And then we need to find the cost to the shopkeeper including tax, and the VAT paid by the shopkeeper, and the cost to the customer including all the taxes. So first find the discounted price, the price after 20% discount. So discounted price is 60,000 minus 20% of the 60,000. Here 60,000 is the printed price. So 20% of 60,000 means 20 divided by 100 into 60,000. So if we simplify this, we'll get 60,000 minus 1,000 12,000. Now if we subtract 12,000 from 60,000, we'll get 48,000. So this is the discounted price. Yep. Now we'll find the cost to the shopkeeper including a tax. Cost to the shopkeeper inclusive of the tax, which is VAT tax, which is a discounted price minus tax of the discounted price. So which is, the discounted price is 12,000 and the tax is 6% at every stage. So 6% of discounted price, which is 40,000. So we'll get 48,000 minus 6% can be written as 6 by 100 into 48,000. So if we simplify this, we'll get 48,000 minus plus 2,800. So the total amount is 50,800. So the second part of the question is find the VAT paid by the shopkeeper to the government. So we need to find the VAT, which is 6% of the printed price. Minus the discount price. So that will be the VAT paid by the shopkeeper to the government. So 6% of, which means 6 by 100 into 60,000 minus 48,000. So which is 12,000. So 6% of 12,000. So if we simplify this, we'll get 720 rupees. So the VAT paid by the shopkeeper to the government is 720 rupees. Okay, let's move to the third part of the question, which is the cost to the customer including tax, which is the printed price is 60,000 and 6% of 60,000. This is the cost which the customer used to pay. So now the 60,000 plus 6 by 100 into 60,000. So if you simplify this, we'll get 60,000 plus 3,600, which is 63,600. So the cost paid by the customer including tax is 63,600 rupees. I hope you understand this question, but thanks for watching.